There's a giant asteroid flying towards Earth. Detected by a Russian robotic telescope, it's one of the largest and most dangerous space rocks approaching our planet's orbit. RT's Murad Gaziev looks at the threat from the void.
Humanity's last experience with a large asteroid was painful. Almost 2 years ago, the Chelyabinsk meteor, traveling at 19 kilometers a second, exploded in the skies above Russia. The blast was dozens of times more powerful than an atomic bomb. But that meteor was only 20 or so meters in diameter, weighing about as much as the Eiffel Tower. This new asteroid is an entirely different story. It's 20 times bigger, the size of a village, weighing millions of times more. If this asteroid, for now called 2014 UR116, flew into our atmosphere, it wouldn't just burn up in the air and shatter windows. This would hit the planet's surface, potentially killing millions. But calm for now. It's not yet on a collision course with Earth. The danger is, as it passes near planets and the sun, gravity could alter its path. In fact, the Russian Space Agency, which detected UR116, has satellites watching just for such objects. And it's not only Russia. An American observatory a decade ago detected another similar asteroid. There was a big scare about that, if you remember. Apophis was named after the Egyptian god of evil, and asteroids its size hit Earth on average once in 80,000 years. NASA gave it a very real chance of impacting our planet, though that was later revised down. But the danger from asteroids is very real, and astronomers are increasingly keeping an eye out and thinking about what to do if they confirm a collision course, though don't expect anything quite as dramatic as Bruce Willis leading his team of misfits to save the world.
Now, NASA is on edge as tomorrow a nearly 1,000-meter-wide meteor is expected to skim past Earth, though it's not likely to make contact. RT's Anya Parampil breaks it down and looks into the looming threat of impact. It's the type of threat that movie stars like Bruce Willis, Owen Wilson, and Ben Affleck have been called into fight. The threat that a massive space object may one day collide with Earth, causing a virtual Armageddon. And currently, one mammoth of an asteroid is making its way towards Earth and is estimated to reach its closest point tomorrow, according to NASA. Now, the asteroid, named 2014 YB35, is traveling at speeds around 37,000 kilometers, or 23,000 miles per hour, and is expected to pass by our blue planet within a 2.8 million mile radius, a distance not that grand in astronomical terms. But have no fear, the NASA-estimated 990-meter-wide space rock is expected to make its journey safely, avoiding any contact with Earth. YB35 is making its celestial debut just 3 months before the first ever Asteroid Day, an event to be held on June 30th. Asteroid Day is being held after a contingent of astronauts, cosmonauts, space experts, and physicists like Richard Dawkins banded together in an effort to raise awareness of the potential risk of an asteroid impact here on Earth. The June 30th date is significant as it is the anniversary of the 1908 Tunguska incident, which was the largest asteroid to make contact with Earth in recent history. In that case, a 50-meter wide rock hit Siberia, making an estimated energy impact of up to 15 megatons of TNT. That's 1,000 times the energy released by the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, which is why scientists believe that the likelihood of potential impacts is something to be taken very seriously. In fact, as rock band Queen artist and astrophysicist Brian May put it, the more we learn about asteroid impacts, the clearer it becomes that the human race has been living on borrowed time. We are currently aware of less than 1% of objects comparable to the one that impacted Tunguska, and nobody knows when the next big one will hit. It just takes one. Certainly one is all it takes, but for now, one thing is clear: not today, asteroid, and not tomorrow.